Looking for a stylish ceiling fan that also lights up your room? Today we're checking out the 2-in-1 invisible ceiling fan with light, a smart retro-style ceiling fan with remote control that's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and halls. Let's see why this modern fan is getting so much attention. This fan features an invisible blade design, meaning when the fan is off, the blades stay hidden inside the lamp. Once you turn it on, the blades automatically extend and start spinning smoothly. It's a unique design that combines modern technology with a retro decorative style. Here are some of the standout features. 2-in-1, a ceiling fan and LED light combined in one product. Smart remote control. Easily control the fan speed and lighting from anywhere in the room. Adjustable wind speeds. Choose the airflow level that's comfortable for you. Energy-efficient LED lighting. Bright illumination with lower power consumption. Low noise motor. Perfect for bedrooms since it runs quietly. Stylish retro look. Adds a premium decorative touch to any space. This ceiling fan is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, or modern home interiors. It doesn't just keep your room cool, it also works as a beautiful lighting fixture that enhances the overall decor. Many homeowners prefer this type of fan because it saves space, looks elegant, and combines two essential home features in one device. It's a great option if you want something modern, practical, and stylish. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more cool gadgets and smart home products, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Smart Buy Tech for more tech reviews.